Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and recite speech for Teachers' Day. This speech is extremely easy and simple to remember and to recite and is appropriate for kids. Now, let's get started. First line is, Good morning everyone. Second line is, My name is Saurav Joshi. Third line is, Today we are celebrating Teachers' Day. Fourth line is, Teachers teach us many things. Teachers teach us many things. Fifth line is, They help us read and write. They help us read and write. Sixth line is, They make us good children. They make us good children. Seventh line is, Teachers are like our second parents. Eighth line is, Thank you, dear teachers. Thank you, dear teachers. Ninth line is, We love you so much. We love you so much. Last line, that is line number 10 is, Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day.